This is the plaintiff, George Johnson. He says he bought some rims from the defendant, and after he had them a few weeks, they started to rust and chip. He contacted the defendant, who told him they were still under warranty from the manufacturer and they would replace them. He's still waiting for the defendant to cough up the authorization code he needs to provide the wheel maker, and is tired of waiting around for what he knows is never going to happen. So he's suing for $1,889.76, the amount he's owed. This is the defendant, Michael Romero. He says the plaintiff is stuck up a river without a paddle because he installed sensors on the rims which caused them to rust and corrode. The manufacturer refuses to honor the warranty now that they've been tampered with, and he's tried to work with the stubborn guy, but he downright refuses. So here they are. He's accused of going around and around in circles.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
And welcome back to the People's Court. Next case in the docket. The plaintiff bought rims from the defendant and says that they began rusting almost immediately. But the defendant says the plaintiff caused his own problem by tricking the rims out. It's the case of Big Wheel keeps on rusting.
Thank you, Douglas. Okay, Mr. Johnson, you are suing Wheels Next Incorporated, represented here by Michael Romero. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for $1,889.76 that you say you are out in time, trouble, and wheels that you bought from them that ended up rusting and corroding. Tell me what it is that happened here.
In January of 2008, I purchased four wheels from Wheels Next in Dade County. And I got them, I've mounted them on my car, they look great. After about 4 weeks.
What kind of car was this?
It was a Altima.
So you received them and you get them put on where?
From a local Goodyear dealership in Clearwater, Florida.
Okay. And what happens?
After about 4 weeks, the lug nuts, which I have brought a couple, so if you want to look at them.
I do.
They started rusting out. And
after pitting, 4 weeks?
After 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks.
Okay.
After that, in October, the chrome on the wheels actually started pitting and coming off on all 4 wheels. It first started up where the valve stem comes through, and then progressed throughout the wheels.
Are those the offending wheels?
This is one of the 4.
Okay.
I've got 4 pictures of the other wheels.
I assume you brought me the worst one. Show me.
This is where the valve stem comes through.
I can't lift this, right? It's too heavy? Turn this a little bit this way. Okay, go ahead.
This is where the valve stem comes through.
Right.
And you could see where the lug nuts were. It's all corroding. And you can see in different areas where the chrome is. So
the chrome starts coming off it.
Yeah, in various spots throughout all 4 wheels.
Okay, now the only place Goodyear gets involved in doing anything is these 5 holes here, right?
What I did is I found out it's just as cheap and easy to buy 4 new lug nuts or whatever the number is per wheel. So right. I bought those on my own.
Right.
Those are not part of this lawsuit at all.
Okay.
All I'm after is the cost of the wheels, of which I documented.
When did the chrome start chipping, by the way?
In
5 months?
October.
Okay, so by then you had it for what, 10 months?
Well, yeah.
And you have a 1-year warranty on it?
1-year warranty.
So you contact Wheels Next, and Wheels Next tells you what?
They said, what you got to do is take some pictures of the wheels. We'll send them to the manufacturer. If we get an approval from them, then you'll get an authorization number from us to ship the wheels back to them, and they could replace them or replace the style, but it's the same manufacturer of the wheel.
Okay, now, when you received the complaint, you received the pictures, what do you, by the way, show me the pictures you sent to him. I think they're on
Yeah.
the other side.
Yeah,
All right.
there's
When you
4
receive
old
the
ones.
pictures, got it. When you receive the pictures, what do you think?
Okay, when I received the pictures, immediately I knew the manufacturer was going to deny it.
Why?
Okay, because he installed TPMS sensors on these wheels.
What are TPMS sensors?
Those are tire pressure monitoring systems.
Okay.
With new vehicles come with them now that they identify if you got a low tire.
Okay, and that's not something that was there before your rims got there?
No, ma'am.
So, do these custom rims rust and damage more easily?
No, they should be less corrosive because they're plated.
Really? So they would rust less than a standard rim?
Correct.
You buying that?
Yes.
That's simple, huh? You don't want to go out. He sounds like he knows what he's talking about. Okay, going inside the courtroom.
I got the letter here. They don't recommend that kind of TPMS sensors. What they do is they recommend the TPMS sensor that goes with a strap.
Let me see the warranty that you hand him, actually.
And that strap goes on the TPMS sensor. It goes strapped to that belt there. Then you don't have to scratch the chrome while installing.
You can stop. You can stop right now. All merchandise sold by Wheels Next is sold in brand new condition and is covered by a manufacturer warranty. The manufacturer warranty coverage relationship exists directly between and only between the manufacturer and the customer. That means that you should be suing the manufacturer.
What I'm doing is suing the person who sold me the wheels, whose Wheels Next.
I know. You think I didn't know that? I know who they are.
No, I know.
But I'm saying, did you read this?
I never got a copy
Yeah,
of
that's
that.
what I want to know. This document is where, off the internet?
Yes, ma'am.
And you ordered it off the internet, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
through that.
This is there. Okay, so can you show me what you think your warranty is?
I don't have anything.
Okay,
They
I
never-
then have the only known copy
Yeah.
of your warranty because it's in
I
the
never got it.
computer. Right.
Yeah.
Well, if you click on return and exchange policy in their website, then you'll see what the return and exchange policy is. Other than applicable manufacturer's warranties, there are no other warranties, express or implied, including any warranty of merchantability for a particular purpose. The customer is liable for round-trip shipping costs when returning or exchanging an item. Now, they tell you no, we're not covering it. What do you do, God bless you?
Okay, I tell him what the manufacturer said, So I grab the letter and I go to my superiors and I say, listen, the manufacturer denied his claim. So let's do something for the customer, And he goes, well, whatever your decision is, So I said, well, let's replace it for him. Let's give him, 4 brand new wheels, and but he's got to pay for the shipping.
Right.
And I
The
let him
shipping's
know.
how much?
It's $35 per wheel.
Okay.
And I let Mr. Johnson know that he has to pay for the shipping, and he didn't agree on that.
So what you wanted them to do to make it right was to pay for the shipping there of the bad ones, pay for the shipping of new ones, and actually pay to have them put on your car as well.
If I may go back just a little bit further.
I don't think you can go. I think you got to go back a little further than you're going. I think you got to go back to when you went to the courthouse and filed the lawsuit and sue the right party.
Well, they said it was a 1-year warranty, but I didn't get a copy of something written
Okay.
saying I got a 1 year.
All right, maybe next time you'll demand one, or you'll left click on the part about the warranties. In the meantime, you may have a righteous claim against this manufacturer for all the things that you are complaining about, but you have to broach it with the people who are extending the warranty. And the people extending the warranty, according to the website you ordered from, is the manufacturer. And you're still going to have to pay for shipping because that's the limited warranty that you bought. I didn't buy it, you bought it. Don't be mad at me. All right, verdict for the defendant.
Well, here he comes, the plaintiff on the losing end of this case, and now he's got some paperwork, but it's not the warranty.
No.
Turn around this way and tell me what's your reaction to how this came out.
Well, again, I never got a copy of the warranty on the wheels, so I really can't argue that. But
It was available on the website, right? If you clicked on...
no, it wasn't. It wasn't. This is all after the fact. Oh, well,
All right, okay.
throw them away.
Yep. Throw him away, says. All right, come on in here. Was that warranty available to him on the website?
Yes, it was.
Well, how would he have gotten it?
You just had to click on exchange and returns.
You didn't direct him to?
Well, all of our sales representatives, they direct the customer at the time of purchase.
So you have any empathy for the spot he's in now?
No, I just, he should have took what I told him. We'll exchange it for him. He had to pay for the shipping, but he denied.
Well, hopefully he'll go after the manufacturer next. Harvey?
Okay, Kurt, 2 things in 11 seconds. 1, you got to read every warranty carefully. They're not all the same. Secondly, there's something called an implied warranty that applies in all retail sales in America. The product has to be fit.